Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome back. Today, we have something truly special in store for you as we delve into the world of French gastronomy and culture. In this video, we're going to uncover some unknown facts about the legendary French Chateaubriand steak. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Chateaubriand's origin. Our journey begins with the origin of the Chateaubriand steak. Many people assume it's named after a chef, but it's actually named after a French writer and diplomat, François-René de Chateaubriand. He was a prominent figure in the early 19th century, known for his literary works and diplomatic endeavors. The legend behind the steak. Now, let's unravel the legend behind this mouth-watering steak. It's said that Chateaubriand frequented a famous Parisian restaurant called Le Pavillon de l'Élysée in the early 19th century. The restaurant's chef, Montmirail, created a dish in his honor using a thick center-cut beef tenderloin, which was later dubbed Chateaubriand steak. The cut of meat. One of the key facts about Chateaubriand steak is the cut of meat used. It's typically a thick center cut from the beef tenderloin, known for its tenderness and succulence. This cut is often larger than a traditional filet mignon, making it perfect for sharing. Chateaubriand sauce. Now, let's talk about the delectable Chateaubriand sauce. This creamy, flavorful sauce is traditionally made with shallots, butter, white wine, demi-glace, and a touch of brandy. It's the perfect complement to the tender steak, adding a burst of rich flavor to every bite. Historical significance. Beyond its culinary significance, Chateaubriand steak has historical importance. François-René de Chateaubriand himself was a witness to the turbulent times of the French Revolution and the Napoleonic era. His writing and diplomatic work left an indelible mark on French history. The Chateaubriand experience. Finally, experiencing Chateaubriand steak is not just about the food. It's about the ambiance, the fine wine, and the company you share it with. It's a culinary journey that takes you back in time, allowing you to savor the flavors and history of France. Chateaubriand's origin. Our journey begins with the origin of the Chateaubriand steak. Many people assume it's named after a chef, but it's actually named after a French writer and diplomat, François-René de Chateaubriand. He was a prominent figure in the early 19th century, known for his literary works and diplomatic endeavors. The legend behind the steak. Now, let's unravel the legend behind this mouth-watering steak. The restaurant's chef, Montmirail, created a dish in his honor using a thick center-cut beef tenderloin, which was later dubbed Chateaubriand steak. It's typically a thick center cut from the beef tenderloin, known for its tenderness and succulence. This cut is often larger than a traditional filet mignon, making it perfect for sharing. It's the perfect complement to the tender steak, adding a burst of rich flavor to every bite. Chateaubriand around the world. Did you know that Chateaubriand steak has fans worldwide? While it originated in France, you can find variations of this classic dish in many countries. In the United States, it's often served with a New York strip steak, and in Argentina, they have their version called bife de chorizo. Famous Chateaubriand enthusiasts. Some of the world's most influential figures have savored Chateaubriand steak. From Napoleon Bonaparte to Winston Churchill, and even Ernest Hemingway, this dish has graced the tables of history's great minds and leaders. Chateaubriand's unusual cooking method. While Chateaubriand steak is renowned for its delicious taste, did you know that it was originally served quite differently? In the early 19th century, it was typically cooked tableside on a hot metal platter, with butter and seasonings added as it sizzled. This theatrical presentation added to the steak's allure and remains a unique historical aspect of this dish. The French Revolution connection. One of the most intriguing facts about Chateaubriand steak is its connection to the French Revolution. François-René de Chateaubriand, the man behind the name, was not only a writer but also an outspoken critic of the Revolution. His work, The Genius of Christianity, is believed to have played a role in the revival of Catholicism in France after the turbulent times of the Revolution. The art of pairing. Now, let's explore the art of pairing Chateaubriand steak with wine. While red wine is the classic choice, Many wine enthusiasts suggest a Bordeaux, particularly a Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon, to complement the steak's richness. The wine's tannins and fruitiness balance the flavors perfectly. Chateaubriand as a celebration dish. Chateaubriand steak has long been associated with celebrations and special occasions. It's a popular choice for birthdays, anniversaries, and romantic dinners. The combination of its tender meat and rich sauce makes it the perfect indulgence for memorable moments. Chateaubriand variations. While the classic Chateaubriand steak is made with beef tenderloin, there are exciting variations to explore. Some chefs experiment with different meats like pork or lamb, and you can even find vegetarian versions using portobello mushrooms. These adaptations offer a unique twist on the traditional dish. And there you have it, mise à mi, an even deeper dive into the fascinating world of Chateaubriand steak. From its unusual cooking method to its literary connections and wine pairings, this dish truly embodies the rich tapestry of French culture and cuisine. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. À la prochaine! Until next time.